I'm Angela Walter, and this is my husband, Jim. We live in the Shaler School District in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we got our kitchen and dining room renovated in 2023.
The struggle we had wasn't finding a contractor, it was finding a contractor who would do everything. We knew we wanted to update everything, but we were finding it difficult to find someone who would design it for us, but then could also do the work. We were happy to find someone that could sort of get their hands around the whole process, not just the construction piece of it. The communication, there was a single app to use to contact anyone that was working on the project, whether it was a project manager or the individual folks, the designer, etc. That was nice. We would get necessarily app related, but is more Pittsburgh's Best related. We would get often same day responses, if not same day, then next day responses to all our questions.
It's really great. We have young children, and so having things done on schedule, knowing when to anticipate what is going to be done, when it's going to be done, having that in advance and having that open lines of communication is huge and was really crucial to us. I mean, I love the whole look of it and the openness of it. As we mentioned, they took like a 4-foot wall off separating the kitchen and dining room. So now they just flow and we actually use this space, which is amazing.
Yeah.
And I personally, in addition to those two things, I just love all of the storage space. It's really nice. We have extra storage space, which is a very rare thing to say ever. So yeah, I just love the storage space of it all.
And now we use it every single day. We're using the space that we have. We have space for storage, and it looks nice.
We just had a really great experience with everybody there, and we were super grateful that they were understanding of and working with us toward the goal of let's get this done in X amount of time. So, you know, it's not disrupting our whole life and we have to make more accommodations than what was anticipated. So that was just super wonderful. And like Jim said, you know, if something's wrong or if we're confused about something, you know, it's not like they're ignoring us. They're still getting back to us just as quickly as they did mid-renovation, which is just really nice.
The bill is paid, and so like there's that fear, okay, well, we paid the bill, it's done now. Message is now gonna take a little longer to answer, but you know, we still have our builder's trend, we still get our answers within a day. You know, we ask the questions, and they're like, we'll have Toby come out and check that out.
Right, and Sue's the one who is the project manager who was answering and fielding all those questions and everything, and she was on it. We are so super appreciative of everything that Pittsburgh's Best did from the beginning to end of the renovation process, and even after that. And we would highly recommend them to anyone. And we recommend them to our future selves whenever we get our bathroom done in 5 years or so. So not only to others, but also to our future selves.
Yeah, we'll be repeat customers.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.